Welcome to Luxury View, where we take a closer look at the finest automobiles on the market. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mazda 3, an icon of performance and style. If you're a fan of compact sedans that offer both elegance and excitement, then this car is for you. Mazda has always prided itself on its design philosophy, and the 2025 Mazda 3 is no exception. The exterior of the Mazda 3 exudes sophistication and sportiness, offering a sleek, sculpted body that draws attention from every angle. Starting from the front, the bold, signature wing grille is one of the car's most recognizable features, seamlessly integrated with sleek LED headlights. These headlights not only enhance visibility but also add a sharp, contemporary look that defines the car's aggressive stance. The flowing lines along the side of the Mazda 3 are nothing short of stunning, with a profile that strikes a perfect balance between refinement and athleticism. The car's body is gracefully curved, giving it a sense of movement even when it's standing still. This is all thanks to Mazda's Kodo design language, which focuses on creating beauty through motion. The roofline smoothly flows towards the rear, maintaining an aerodynamic profile that contributes to both aesthetics and performance. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Mazda 3 features sleek, narrow taillights that complement its sharp, angular lines. The rear bumper is sculpted to reflect the car's athletic capabilities, adding a sense of purpose to the vehicle's design. Whether parked or in motion, the Mazda 3 commands attention from every angle. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mazda 3 is its stunning paint options. The available Soul Red Crystal paint is a true masterpiece, offering a deep, rich hue that changes with the light, giving the car an even more dynamic and luxurious appearance. The meticulous attention to detail in the paint application ensures that the finish has a deep, glossy shine that stands the test of time, giving the car a high-end look that rivals much more expensive models. The 2025 Mazda 3 is not just a beauty to behold, it's also built for performance. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a finely tuned chassis that promises an exhilarating driving experience. Mazda's commitment to Jinba Itai, a concept that translates to horse and rider as one, is evident here. The car feels connected to the road, offering sharp, responsive handling and a smooth, balanced ride. With its available turbocharged engine, the Mazda 3 delivers impressive power, while still maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. This compact sedan is not just for show, it's built to offer a thrilling performance on both city streets and winding back roads. The all-wheel drive option further enhances its capability, providing optimal traction in various driving conditions. The 2025 Mazda 3 is also packed with advanced technology that complements its stunning design. It features a user-friendly infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. Additionally, Mazda's suite of safety features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. All of these features work seamlessly to provide a safe and enjoyable driving experience. The 2025 Mazda 3 is a true testament to Mazda's dedication to blending design, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a car that offers a thrilling drive or a stylish vehicle that turns heads wherever you go, the Mazda 3 delivers on all fronts. Thank you for joining us today on Luxury View. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Mazda 3, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more reviews. We'll see you in the next video.